The first question arises: define utility and explain the significance in economics. Utility refer to the satisfaction, pleasure, or happiness that a consumer derives from consuming a goods or services. It is a subjective measure of the value that a consumer places on a particular commodity. There are some significant of utility in economics like decision making. Utility is the basic for consumer decision making. Consumer make choice based on which consumer or services provide the highest utility. Second is demand. Utility influence demand. The higher utility, the higher demand. Consumer behavior. Utility help explain consumer behavior such as why people prefer one product over another. Utility is essential for market equilibrium as it determines its price. Welfare economics. Utility is used to evaluate the overall well-being of society, helping policymakers make decisions that maximize social welfare. Choice under scarcity. Utility help consumer make choice when faced with scarcity as they prioritize goods and services based on their utility. Utility is a fundamental concept in economics that help understand consumer behavior, decision making, and market outcomes. Now, next question arises: differentiate between total utility and marginal utility and how they are related in understanding consumer behavior. Total utility and marginal utility are related but distinct concepts in understanding the consumer behavior. Total utility refers to the total satisfaction or pleasure a consumer derives from a consuming a specific quantity of a good service. It is the cumulative utility from consuming all units of a goods or service up to a certain point. Marginal utility refer to the additional satisfaction or pleasure a consumer derives from a consuming one more unit of a goods or service. It is the change in utility from consuming one extra unit. Relationship between total utility and marginal utility is: marginal utility is derived from total utility, means marginal utility is the rating of change in total utility. As a consumer consume one more unit, total utility increase but marginal utility decrease due to law of diminishing marginal utility. When marginal utility becomes negative, total utility begins to decrease, indicating that the consumer is expressing diminishing overall satisfaction. Understanding consumer behavior, total utility and marginal utility help explain consumer behavior such as diminishing marginal utility. Consumer will inactually experience decreasing satisfaction from consuming one more unit. Optimum consumption, consumer will consume until marginal utility equals to zero, maximize their total utility. Demand, change in marginal utility influence demand as consumer adjust their consumption based on marginal utility. Total utility represent the overall satisfaction while marginal utility represent the incremental satisfaction from consuming one more unit. Understanding both concepts help economics analyze consumer behavior and decision making process. Next question is: elaborate on the law of diminishing marginal utility. Provide example to illustrate its application in real life scenario. First, we will understand that what is law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility states that as more and more commodity we consume, the utility derived from each successive unit goes on diminishing and may become zero or negative. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as a consumer consumes more unit of a service, the additional utility satisfaction derived from each subsequent unit will decrease. This means that the marginal utility of a good or service decrease as a consumption increase. Example, eating pizza. First slide give the highest marginal utility, second slide lower, third slide lower, getting full, fourth slide negative. Drinking water is also the example of it, watching movie, playing video game. These are the some examples of diminishing marginal utility. These examples illustrate how the law of diminishing marginal utility applies to various real life scenarios. Initially, each additional unit consumed provides significant utility. A consumption increase, the marginal utility decrease. Eventually, the marginal utility become negative, indicating that the consumer is experiencing diminishing overall satisfaction. This law has important implications for consumer behavior, demand, and marketing strategy. Next question arises. Discuss the equi-marginal principle. How does this guide consumer in optimize their utility, and what is its role and resource allocation? The equi-principle is a fundamental concept in microeconomics that guide consumer in optimizing their utility and play a crucial role in resource allocation. The equi-marginal principle states that consumer will allocate their income among different goods and services in such a way that the marginal utility of the last unit of each goods or service is may equal, or we can mathematically represent that marginal utility is equal to price upon goods X upon good Y. Difference between goods or services. This principle helps consumer to maximize the utility in several ways. Efficient allocation. The equilibrium marginal price ensure that consumer allocate their income efficiently, maximizing their overall utility. Optimal consumption bundle. The principle help consumer choose the optimal consumption of goods and services that provide the highest utility. Resource allocation guide consumer to allocating their resources income among different goods or services, leading to an efficient allocation of resource in the economy. The equilibrium marginal has importance implication for the resource allocation. Efficient market outcome. This lead to an efficient market outcome where resources are allocated based on consumer preferences. Party utility. This principle help active party optimally where no individual can make better off without making someone else. Resource allocation. The EMP guides resource allocation to allocate their most valuable uses as determined by consumer preferences. The equi-marginal principle is a fundamental concept in microeconomics that guide consumer to optimize their utility and play a crucial role in resource allocation, leading to an efficient market outcome and pure optimally.